The list of culprits that cause dry skin is a long one. From daily bathing habits, think hot showers, and scrubbing yourself dry with a towel, and wicked winter weather to a lack of natural oils in your skin as you age. The good news is that unless you're managing a skin condition, you may not need to visit a dermatologist to soothe dry skin. Instead, you might consider incorporating a home remedy to your skincare routine. In fact, the ingredients for these dry skin fixes may already be in your kitchen. Several of the ingredients we include below, such as coconut oil and aloe vera, are often collectively referenced as remedies, though they have been used for centuries as homeopathic medicines in cultures worldwide. Importantly, though, if you are managing an underlying skin condition that may be causing your dry skin, be sure to consult a board-certified dermatologist before you try any home remedy. Doing so can help you avoid worsening dry skin. Home remedies are great for many skin types, especially if you are in a pinch or opt for alternative skincare remedies. You may prefer to keep your skincare routine simple, especially if you have allergies or a sensitive complexion. For example, unlike preservative-laden water-based lotions and creams, oils have a natural base, making them a good choice for dry skin when a skin condition isn't involved. Today in this video, I will share how to make olive oil moisturizer to soothe dry skin. At first you will need ½ cup of olive oil in a bowl, 2 tablespoons coconut oil, 2 tablespoons beeswax pellets, or grated beeswax, and 1/2 teaspoon vitamin E oil. Mix all these ingredients until to get smooth paste, and your moisturizer is ready. Apply this moisturizer daily on your face. A combination of olive oil and beeswax keeps your skin soft and smooth, and protects it from chafing due to extreme climate. Olive oil contains vitamin E, antioxidants, squalene, and other properties that repair damaged skin. Also notes that this may not be a good choice for acne-prone skin, because of the risk of clogging your pores.